Hi, welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is kind of different. Right now I am on vacation. I'm in LA right now, so I kind of want to show you guys just like my little pampering nighttime routine. All right, so I just removed my makeup completely, and I also washed my face already because I thought about filming this after I did all that. So I'll show you what I used. For makeup wipes, I am traveling with my Neutrogena wipes. I feel like they're just like my go-to safety wipes. They work really well. They get everything off. To wash my face, I got a little travel size fresh soy cleanser. This is my favorite cleanser in the entire world. I literally repurchase it all of the time, and for travel, I have my travel sizes. I cannot live without this stuff. I'm gonna start off with this little baby right here. I actually use this day and night. This is by Glow Recipe, and it is the Pineapple Bright Serum. And oh my god, I'm already halfway done. I love this stuff. I feel like it makes my skin glow. It really is brightening, and it also makes your skin really soft. So I love to just slather my skin in this. Oh my god. Look how good I look already. Like, it just makes you look so good. I also do use an eye cream. This one is by Amore Pacific. Okay, so this eye cream was gifted to me, and although it is great, I don't think I will be repurchasing it, only because it is extremely expensive, you guys. Like, I just don't think I need to pay that much for an eye cream. Like, there's some things that I splurge on, but like, I don't know. It's like one of those things that I can't tell if it's making a big difference. But either way, I am using it. Feel free to use any eye cream that you love, but I do feel like it's really important to take care of this area right here. Next up is very important, especially if you are traveling. When I'm traveling, my skin starts to get dry, and then like, I don't know, like with different water pressures, it feels different. So I feel like when I'm traveling, I try to really pamper my skin, and this is like my little pamper treatment right here. This is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. So technically it's a mask. You can wash it off if you want. You can leave it on for a few minutes, but I sleep with this mask on because it is so luxurious, and I like to pull a thick layer, just like really get it all on my skin. It feels so good. Like, as you can see, it disappears right into your skin. It's not like one of those real masks where like you need to rinse it off because it's like a thick layer or anything. It's kind of like, it feels like a moisturizer, like a really thick moisturizer, and I just indulge my skin in this. Do you see how glowy my skin looks? Love that. I like to let that sink in. I sleep with it in the morning. When I wake up, my skin is extremely soft, like the softest ever. So that's why I love using this. The last thing I like to put on is my Caress body butter. This one in particular I love. First of all, I like this like scent in particular. This one is called Jasmine, and I love it because it's this really pretty pink shade. My lips get really red, and I don't love that. And this lip balm just like tones the redness down, which I love. It makes such a big difference. But also it's really moisturizing. This is one of my favorite lip balms. Like, I cannot tell you how many times I have repurchased this just over and over again. When I'm on vacation, I really like to relax and enjoy myself and just get into my zen moods, and Sam has made that so easy here. She's literally the best host. She has the coziest chair where I've been doing my reading at night. So I just go there at night and I read a book. Lately I've been reading a book called Light is the New Black, and I really love that book. I'm really into reading about your soul and your soul's calling and just like your life purpose, and that's what that book is kind of like. So it's really nice to read that book before bed. It gives you something to think about before bed. And also I just like reading before bed, period, because I feel like it just relaxes me and I go right to sleep. The room, Sam set it up so perfectly. She has the most amazing smelling candle that I light before bed also. And then she also has this lavender spray, which just smells so good. I sprayed all over my pillows and I sleep like a baby. I feel like back home I'm on Instagram all day, like all day long. You're just like checking in on Instagram. But here we've been like on the go all day, so I haven't really had a chance to really be on Instagram. So it's really nice on vacation, like at the end of the night, to go on your phone, check emails if you want to, check Instagram, respond to all of your comments, and that's kind of like what I do before bed on vacation. This is my pretty simple luxury vacation pampering routine. I feel like it's so simple, but it's like the little things like that, like taking the extra step in your skincare, taking some time for yourself, doing little things like candles to really set the mood and set the tone that really relaxes you and you just feel like you're so pampered. So I love doing little things like that when I'm on vacation because it's like the perfect time to do it. You want to unwind, you want to feel good, and I feel so good right now. Like I feel so rested. I feel amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me and spending a little bit of your day with me. I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.